that cleaning that I do is by the use of Kundalini energy. Like I can generate a lot of Kundalini energy, and with that I can focus on you and find you wherever you are, and there see you and see your energy field, and see where you have these other depressed energies that are somewhat there also maintaining your own depression. And then I just, let's say, cut them off. That is the basic process, which may or may not have a big effect depending on how important these spiritual friends are, let's say, in their impact on you. That may differ very strongly. Let's say in one depressed person, the difference will be so huge that they immediately jump out of their depression. And with other people, it may help them to feel somewhat better, but still the depression is also very much their own still, because there are some things maybe in the past that they have not properly digested, and which continue to maintain a negative self-image. So the people who already have done a lot of work with that, I don't know, in therapy or reading self-help books or things like that, and they really feel, no, I have done that, I am clear actually about that, but the feeling still remains, and that feeling I cannot change it, or only very short time I can change it and then it comes back, then often the spiritual part is more important to work on. So it really depends, but not so difficult to do that. Actually, that part of healing requires relatively little time. I mean, it's part of a daily ritual that I anyhow have to do, which involves some offerings and some fire rituals, so on. And then I focus on you for a few minutes only. And if that does not work, then maybe more has to happen. And that then may take half an hour or 1 hour or something like that. But it's a bit hard to explain how that works.